morning, everybody. It is 9:30. I need to leave for ballet. I know I say that every day, don't I? It's raining out. But look, can you see the grass? I don't know, maybe you're not as impressed as I am. It's kind of growing. It looks actually way more brown in the camera. I need to go clean those leaves off. Anyway, it's a rainy day, but it feels nice. I'm wearing my dungarees, which feels fun. I do have some clothes left from my massive clean out. If you didn't see the vlogs from the past week of just all the clean out of my closets, you should go watch them. It's kind of been epic. So now I need to leave the house basically, and I just spoke to Kate. Hey Kate, and told her about Franklin Method teach training vision and showed her this epic 5-year plan and the vision for the teach training. She's so excited and I'm so excited, and she's like, I'm in, sign me up. So that will be announced very soon. Jess threw my rain boots away. Well, I can't totally blame Jess putting my rain boots away, but she and Nate said they wanted to leave, and now it's raining, so I'm not quite sure what to do. Oh, hang on, can you see that? Oh, you can see how smashed it is. Looks like fractals though. That's my vision board on it. I need to film a Fitness Friday, and I need to film it and edit it and get it out today. I was going to try and do it before I left for ballet, but I have not done it. What did I do in the water? Oh, I left it upstairs. That's the update, and just, yeah, feeling the next level of all of this and the next level of expansion for everyone. I saw Caitlin yesterday, and she is launching her program Butterfly, which is very exciting. That is going to be amazing. So she's going to be working with a very special select group of creatives to help them birth their projects. I'm gonna get sessions with Caitlin. I highly recommend it. I will put her link down below. What do you know of these? Do you think these will survive the rain? Socks. I need socks. Yeah, and Kate, and she's doing awesome, and also she's doing her group now, so it's just all really good. Yeah, and I want to go clothes shopping for some new clothes, because I feel like that's all part of it too. Just the next level of clothes, and the whole process of throwing out clothes has been intense. Just you know, it's like you're throwing out your yesterday self. You know, the who I was then, and when I wore this and that thing, and I made this video and that outfit, and you know, that was this much money, and that the layers of it, it's crazy. And when you have new things, it's just a whole other, it's a reality shift, you know. Also, like the vibration and the vision and the feeling you have when you buy them, and if there's kind of lack or I don't have or cheapness involved, which there certainly has been in my reality, it's like that's a vibration, and apparently it's ready to go. Unfortunately, I'm not quite ready to go because I need to tie my hair up. Okie dokie, let's go to ballet. So yeah, let me know what you're experiencing. Also, Kate said she was looking at her like notes from this time last year, and she said that she feels like she's going through kind of the same cycle, the same thing that happened, but just on a bigger level, and I totally feel that. Can't see your bright eyes are warm. The time 25 past 2. Yeah, listen there. out there.
Say that?
You have lots of supporters out there.
Oh, thank you guys for supporting me. I love you. Love you to death. Love you to life.
Exactly.
Love you to life, yeah. That's right.
The next stop is at the
It is chilly. So just got out of the subway post ballet. Had a good class today. Eric was teaching and it was challenging. It was good, but it was definitely challenging, and oh my goodness, it's cold. The weather is not supporting vlogging right now, so I'm going to put you back in my bag. We'll chat at home. Okay. I filmed and edited and got up on YouTube the Fitness Friday video, which I'm very happy about and very excited about. That was kind of miraculous. And now I am off out again into the rain. It's still kind of gross out there. But hey, look, the buds are coming, which is pretty. Except, as you will know, if you've been watching a while, I get kind of crazy allergies in the spring, so hopefully I'm actually going to miss all the proper blooming. Anyway, I'm back off out to go look at that apartment again, just for fun, you know? Emily's here. I got home. I don't think I've vlogged anything since. So I went and looked at that apartment again.
Oh, cool.
And then I like came back, but I was like, oh, I'll just walk. I should not have just walked. I got so wet, like soaked. So I got home and got in the bath, and then I just wanted to go to sleep.
Oh, sorry.
But then Kerry came over and we did the session with her. And I love you. Aww. Aww. I'm really excited to see you too.
It's so rainy.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Sleep well.
See Milo tomorrow maybe.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
I'm not for that.
For me too. April 1.
No joke. Nice.